Thank you for selecting our video on Woodford outdoor faucets. Now with this faucet here, I do believe it's a 10-inch frost-free faucet, so it actually shuts off the water 10 inches inside the house, and that's really nice where we live. It gets cold and you don't want any chance of that water freezing. Normal faucet will have water live to darn near the exterior wall. And this is the Woodford Model 17 Anti-Siphon frost-free faucet. I really like it. I think it's a great product. And the important thing about these frost-free faucets, because they do turn off the water inside your house, that's where it actually closes the water seal, you need to have them installed with pitch so that anything after it is closed will easily drain out. It's off, but it is draining out, and that indicates to me that this valve is installed properly. With any frost-free valve, you are gonna want to absolutely make sure that you remove your hose for the winter time. If you do not remove your hose and this faucet does not drain, you will have water in the entire pipe itself, and it will burst. And you'll find out come spring when you go to use it, you'll find out that you'll have a flood on your hands. So always, always, always remove your hoses before the cold weather comes in. Like anything else, the seals will go bad after time. With Woodford, it's super easy. You buy a repair kit, and it comes with multiple sizes for whichever size stem that you have. When you actually remove it, you'll see the size of the stem, and it will tell you exactly how to put it together with the new seals, and it slides right in, and bingo bango, the faucet's repaired. I think it's one of the nicest ones out there. Let it drain out. Well, I got you here. I thought I'd show you the other Woodford faucet that we have on the house. This is a beautiful faucet. It came with the house. It does not seem to feature the anti-siphon, so I don't know how old it is exactly, but I do know if anything goes wrong, I can buy that repair kit, and it'll be an easy replacement, get the seals all fixed up, and I can trust it. And just like the other one, it's shut off in the house and it drains out. And for those of you not so familiar with what you might have, this is a non-frost-free faucet. I don't have to worry about this one because I actually winterized this whole system for the cold weather. I blow it out with the air compressor. But basically, if you have this on your house, you're shutting your water off right here, and you have live water to that point. So if it gets really cold, you got to worry about that. All right, thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, comments, please post them below. I'll try to answer those as I get them. Otherwise, have a good day. Take care.